I'm Joshua McKinney with your Wake Tech News Update. More than 700 prospective students and their families discovered more about Wake Tech during Open House. Held at the Southern Wake campus, prospective students explored academic programs and learned about the admission process, financial aid, and much more. Specialized tours were provided by student leaders, where visitors saw firsthand state-of-the-art labs and classrooms. If you couldn't attend the open house, you can still take an in-person or virtual tour or attend an information session. Learn more at visit.waketech.edu. Wake Tech is joining the North Carolina Community College System's relief effort to support sister colleges impacted by Hurricane Helene. The Hurricane Helene Community College Response Recovery Fund aims to support the 14 affected colleges and their surrounding communities in western North Carolina as they face widespread damage, power outages, water shortages, and loss of communication services. You can learn more at news.waketech.edu about how you can contribute. Wake Tech is proud to announce it has been selected as a U.S. Department of Labor Apprenticeship Ambassador. The recognition certifies that the college is committed to modernizing, diversifying, and expanding registered apprenticeship to support the success of American workers, employers, and communities across the country. Congratulations. Wake Tech students wowed the judges and earned 43 medals at the North Carolina American Culinary Federation competition on the Scott Northern Wake campus, including an impressive 15 gold medals. 5 of those gold medals came in the wedding cake category. Every student who entered a cake won a gold. It's the first time in the competition history that that's happened, and that dates back to 2009. And that's your Wake Tech News Update.